What up, guys? This is my bike. Wait, that's not right. That's a little better. So, let's start this shit. So first here we got the tan BSD grips. Pretty nice, pretty comfy. When you work your hands into them, it's just perfect. I got the Fiend Embryo Type B. That's a bike or whatever. 2017 version. Damn good. Fiend seat, mission pedals, don't know the cranks, don't know the sprocket, don't know the chain. I got a Mylar back wheel and a Mission Merlot front wheel. I don't know what, I don't know if Mylar's a brand or whatever. I also got a Fiend stem, Fiend headset, and the tires.
What the fuck?
I don't know what they are. Don't know what the forks are. I'm pretty sure they're Fiend. Same with bars, I'm guessing. The seat post is attached to the seat, so I guess it's all Fiend. And yeah, this is my bicycle. I have the chain loose as fuck, so do them nasty little crank flips. Ooh. Because I can do half crank flips, just need to learn how to do the full. And yeah, this was my bike check.
Peace.